have the summary of the lesson. Ivan Streisand O level by Colin Stetcher. So lesson number 7. And you can also see in your Vistas textbook, J.R. Evans Streisand O level German examination. So it is related to, already I told you very clearly, this is related to a plan which is from, who's from prison, and of course a clever plan, very intellectually, and of course he also executed. That was, something amazing. We have come across, we had that experience. So too many twisting points, and of course some complex ideas, complications also he has given that. And the narrator very cleverly and of course executed the plan. You can also see that. You can see the completion summary of the lesson. Evans Streisand O level. So Evans wants to take O level test. He was keen to acquire academic qualification, O level test in German. Whether or not that we have to, we can say based on our understanding of the lesson, Evans Streisand O level. Now we can say that, but actually he was not very keen to acquire academic qualifications by using as a tool, and he started to escape. Something, he started to prepare, and of course he planned to escape from the prison. That was the fourth break. That's why he was known as Evans the break. And of course at last, when he was caught, he requested O level Latin examination also. But anyhow, before that, he had a clever plan, and of course, he had the last laugh in front of the governor and before governor, and of course, the governor's intellectual thing, everything was, totally collapsed by Ivan's intellectual. Now you can see that he was intellectual, and of course, that's fine. Very talented, a skilled one. The governor conceded, he conceded to his request arranged with the examinations board to hold in the examinations in Ivan's cell. So here in something, here like conceded, interceded also on behalf of Evans, and he supported Evans even though he had some criminal records. So thrice he broke the jail and of his prison and escaped. And of course he got, and he also considered consent, and he had given his consent. A pastor from Saint Mary Max. So yes, a Saint Mary Church or a Max. You underline that. We came across that. And this is for your objective question. A parson. Parson means priest like, or in which later clergyman is educated. A parson, priest like, priest. A person from Saint Mary's Church to be the invigilator. Something assured. So here we can see the image of Collins texture. That was very nice for looking at that. Something, wonderful lesson, wonderful story. We were enjoyed a lot. Everything. That means every day we got some twist, curiosity. He was creating curiosity among the readers. And even it's like plot by plot. We can take that incidental, all the things. What will happen the next. This is what the curiosity he just created among the readers. When I was reading the very first time, I was also, something got that curiosity, then whenever it is possible I can ask for share this. Now you can see crime, of course, and then handcuff, and it is very famous related to jail or prison, and of course criminals and police, jailers, case, and all those things we can also remember because it is related to crime and of course criminals. Now that's why I just brought this wonderful image crime. And in this we can also say, we can also take that into the prison. We can take how the convicts we can take, or convicts, or the person who was blamed or convicted, like can take persons, and of course the authorities or officials, the way and the protection, and of course even the fences are high, and just like like main mast. We are taking that. So here you can also see an opportunities, and we are coming to the points. Very important point. By that only, that the lesson, the story got some new change. Means twist. Opportunities are given to the prisoners for educating themselves. It shows humanism, humanity, and of course yeah, even though they are all jailers, and of course they are always dealing with தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா பிரச்சனைக்குரியவர்கள், problematic, problematics, or we can say convicts, கைதின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ அப்படிப்பட்டவங்களுக்கு providing opportunities, providing job opportunities, education opportunities, that is also apart from beyond the limit. And sometimes prisoners escaping from the prison, it happened. So this is also the way they will create maybe something underground. They will also use they will a whole a small thing they will also create a path and they will also use they will also cheat and escape from the prison. Likewise, you can also see an image and then here just only for fun. I have just chosen this image. Even the family members were convicted. So the father was here. The father is lifting and of course supporting the family members to escape from the prison life. I'm just for fun, I've chosen this. Now we can take the characters. Once again, those who missed, no, those who are in the class, I can swear. No, all I cannot say that all the students attended each and every classes. We cannot take each and every class for their understanding. I mean, they missed something due to some reasons. All the students. So here you can also see the characters. James Roderick Evans, a prisoner. We can take the convict, a prisoner, a thief, or we can take anything. Anything we can take. He was known as like he had some problem, right? So here. It is like a congenital kleptomaniac. This is what the governor mentioned. That's why we can say prisoner. And the secretary of the examination board. And one more we can take the assistant secretary of the examination board for the modern languages. That was something an emergency call, right? That was a minor character, but played a vital role. So here we can take secretary of the examination board, the higher official of the examination board. Governor, the governor of HM prison in Oxford, and Mr. Jackson, a prison officer senior. Mrs. Stevens, a prison officer senior, junior to Stephen, recently was recruited. And your Reverend Stott McClurdy, a Reverend McClurdy, a person, or we can say a priest. An invigilator, Mr. Carter, a detective superintendent, Mr. Bell, a detective chief inspector. They came and, of course, took a small part. Then we can go to the theme. You can also remember that. And the story is about Evans, who was also called Evans the Break. He got this name because he was quite good at breaking out of prisons. That's why I already told you thrice he has done that, and of course escaped. He did. So here he got this name. It is like sub name we are adding or something additional. We can go for some pet names whenever it is. So the story is about Evans, who was also called Evans the Break, or we can say that James Roderick Evans, or you can short form you can use that, or J.R. Evans, James Roderick, J.R. Evans. He got this name because he was quite good at breaking out of prisons and escaping. However, as Evans was now brought to Oxford prison, and however Evans was now brought to Oxford prison, it was difficult to pull off such stunts. Here, the narrator is very clearly explaining that, and he was shifted to Oxford prison. Oxford prison is very famous and very standard, and of course, too much of protective measures they have been taking that. So nobody can escape from Oxford prison. That means HM prison in Oxford. That's why it was difficulty to pull off executing such stunts means escaping plans. So Oxford prison had very strict officers and assistants. For an example, we can take Jackson and Stevens. And thus this time he wants to take a long way to escape this prison. So he understood when he was shifted, and of course he came to know all those things. Even the governor and Jackson, and of course he once became warm enemies. Like so, he came to know. He did a wonderful study, then identified, then he started to execute his plan. That's why that's this time he wants decides to take a long way. That means he took his own time. That means 6 months course like German primary level, right? O level, very primary level. He took that was meanwhile he executed his plan. So that's this time he wants to decide to take a long way to escape this prison. In this story, we learn about his attempt to break through using a very clever plan. It's very important. We learn about this attempt to break through using a very clever plan. He was clever plan. And he even includes his friends and befriends other people on the way to accomplish his mission. So he had something capacity. We can take that grasping power. Or we can also say that power of persuasion. And I think we came across the lesson, the rat trap, and of course Edla's character, power of persuasion. So likewise, he had the grasping power. By that, he even includes his friends and befriends other people on the way to accomplish his mission. Basically, he uses O-level German exam to try and break out, which is why this exam carries importance. You understand, sir? That was a tool. That was a way. So further, we learn about the wit of the criminal. I underline the word wit. If you wish, you can also write in a textbook. Wit means knowledge, intellectual. So wit of the criminal and how it helps him escape. This is the introduction of the lesson. Yvonne Streisand O-level. When we go for summary, you can see the story begins with a criminal named Evans. Evans is already famous for breaking out from many prisons. Thus, he is now at Oxford prison. So he was something, he was genius. That's why he was shifted to Oxford, because Oxford was very famous, giving, it's like protection. We see that the secretary of the examination board gets a call from HM Prison's governor, and he learns that Evans has begun with night classes in O-level German. So he took a German tuition, right? Likewise, there was a tutor, and of course he came regularly, and of course he took classes for and the classes and educated Evans. So thus he wishes to get an academic qualification. So they all make the necessary arrangements for this same. On inquiry, they learn Evans has no record of violence. Here they underline the word and write he, that means the secretary of the examination board. On inquiry, he learns Evans has no record of violence. Instead, he is rather amusing. Finally, they decide to host the exam in exams room, Evans' room, and sent for an invigilator from St. Mary Max Church. So the governor is very vigilant because he was the responsible person, sole responsible person. He only suggested, he only arranged everything, and of course, I discussed somewhere he hit the real facts in front of the secretary of the examination board, and of course, he judged due to some humanism. We can take that. The governor is very vigilant throughout, as he knows what Evans is capable of pulling off. He knew very well. That's why. So whatever it is, he expected academic qualifications so that he arranged all those things, requested, cheated, somewhere hid all those secrets. But that's why he was very vigilant. So the governor was very vigilant throughout, as he knew what Evans was capable of pulling off. What will he do? And thus we can take, and thus the authorities do their best to help Evans excel at the examinations. Of course, they hire a German tutor for them, and they appointed, it means hired, appointed German teacher for them, and he teaches Evans for 6 months. Underline, you should know that how many months course was taken place, 6 or 7 or 8 or 3 or 4 means you have to choose. So he teaches Evans for 6 months, and Evans even befriends him during that time. That grasping power he had. The tutor wishes him luck, that means good luck, but feels that he does not stand a chance to clear the examination, because he thought, and of course he came to know that, and he was also one of the friends members. He befriended something, we are taking that. So here Evans befriends him during that time. That means during the tuitions, we are taking that 6-month course. So the tutor wishes at the law study, we can take that, wishes him luck, but feels that he does not stand, that means does not pass the examination or chance to clear the exams. However, Evans tells him that he may surprise everybody when he was given that input, and he told that, and of course Evans tells him that he may surprise everybody. Thus, the day of the exam arrives, and the cell is being inspected now. The officers take away everything and anything that he may use to injure himself, or of course the invigilator. Then you can see that they try to take the hat away, but Evans insists, saying it is his lucky charm. You know what is the meaning? தமிழ் என்னுடைய ஒரு அதிர்ஷ்ட பெண், அது என்னுடைய அதிர்ஷ்டம், ராசியான பெண், ராசியான ட்ரெஸ், ராசியான மொபைல், ராசியான பர்ஸ், wallet, always. It is totally in a turn, and of course they will use. They say that when we go on us, they say that is their lucky charm. Likewise, he mentioned when they were trying to take off. So yeah, they try to take the hat away, but Evans insists, saying it is his lucky charm. Moreover, they also bucked Evans' self for governors to listen through everything. It's bucked. So watched very clever. That means taken adapter so that they also fixed the mic. The searched, and of course here we're taking the invigilator, and then he reaches his cell to carry out the exam. An officer kept peeping. That means Stevens, an officer kept peeping in the cell to make sure everything was all right. And the exam executes without any trouble, and Stevens escorts the invigilators to the main gate. In the Avon cell, they find out the invigilator is lying injured. Very simple because everything we explained in details, right? That's why it is a short summary of the lesson, even tries and all level. So you can also imagine all those things. An officer kept peeping in the cell to make sure everything was all right. Exam started and of course almost was about to come complete end. Meanwhile, he was also called. Here, Stevens was called by the governor, and governor himself requested, sorry, ordered Stevens to escort the invigilator after the completion of the examination. The exam executes without any trouble, and Stephen escorts the invigilator out to the main gate. In Ivan's cells, before taking his belated cup of coffee, and he wanted to have a glance at Ivan's cell. So here in Ivan's cell, they find out that the invigilator, when he had glanced, he came to know that, and of course he shouted so that everybody came and started to believe what was seen, what was what they saw. You can take. They find out that the invigilator is lying injured, right? So invigilator they considered, and they went in search of Evans, but find out that he has escaped prison. Moreover, when they do not find the invigilator in the hospital, I think Radcliffe Hospital, and by the help of Mr. Carter, detective superintendent, and of course he also called the ambulance and dropped him there. So here, when they do not find the invigilator in the hospital, they go to visit his residence. When they visited, they came to see that they reached there to find out that it was a fraud. Understand? Because in his residence there was a real original McClary who was tied in the chair, and he was assaulted by the friends of Evans. And instead of the original or real invigilator, Reverend McClary, Stout McClary, someone disguised as McClary and disguised by McClary's dress and came for invigilator and supported Evans for this escape. This is what they identified. So finally, the governor puts together the missing pieces of the puzzle. What's the meaning, puzzle? Puzzle means twisting, confusion. Right? He learns that the invigilator was Evans' friend and he is wrapped places with them and fooled everyone in the prison. So they immediately go to the hotel where Evans was staying and capture him. You understand, by using the clues in the German question paper and of course in the correction slip. The way Evans escaped by using that means indications, the governor also followed when he came to know everything, and very sincerely and of course very systematically he also approached. He went to the hotel room before his arrival because he got the room, and of course he after refreshing himself he went somewhere and having fish and everything. Then when he came return, and he was surprised by looking at the even the uh, receptionist, and of course when he opened the room and he was frozen. So here you can see that the governor becomes, so Evans was staying and captured him. The governor becomes happy thinking his game is over and sends him to a prison van. However, Evans managed to pull off one last stunt as a prison officer, and prison van were also part of this plan. Finally, he becomes a free man and cheated everybody. Right? Conclusion, you can see that. To sum up Evans Tries an O-level summary, we learn about an interesting clash between criminal and the law enforcement and how a person's wit can take him very far. Right? We can take. This is what I gist of the lesson. Very important points. You can also remember that. It's like highlights. So Evans, a kleptomaniac, was in prison thrice and all the time escaped from the prison. Now he was in the prison for the fourth time and all of a sudden developed curiosity to appear in O-level German examination, which also was an effort to break the prison. The governor takes utmost care to see that he would not be fooled. And every care was taken to make Evans prepare for the exams. He was tutored by a German tutor for 6 months. The day before the exams, the tutor wishes good luck, but makes it clear that he had hardly any chance of getting through. You know what is the meaning getting through? Pass the examination. I think the last year we studied a lesson, Browning version, where we came across the word, getting through, get through. That means pass, qualified. But Evans gives an ironical twist, what is I mean, ironical twist to the Twitter's observation by saying that I may surprise everybody. And we thought that he would, pass the examination by writing, but he broke the jail and escaped. That was the twist, right? That's why, but Evans gives an ironical twist that to the a twist to the tutor's observation by saying I may surprise everybody. On the day of the exam, Jackson and Stevens visited exams Evans' cell and took away everything that may help him injure himself. Evans was insisted to take away the hat, but he refused to, saying that it was lucky charm. And Evans' cell was bucked to so that the governor could himself listen to each and every conversation in the cell. The invigilator Reverend S. McClary, stout McClary, was searched and left him to complete the task. Stevens, sitting outside the cell, every now and then peeped into the cell. That means, looking through the peephole. The exam went on smoothly. Stevens escorted the invigilator to the main gate and took a look into Evans' cell and found the invigilator actually Evans wounded. Informed the governor. The latter was to be hospitalized. That means Evans was hospitalized as McClary considered. Later, here underline the word the latter was to be means and Evans as McClary disguised McClary. Evans as McClary was to be hospitalized for informed that he was all right and asked them to follow Evans. Thus he escaped the prison. When the invigilator was not found in the hospital, they went to the residence of Reverend S. McClary only to find him bound and gagged in his study in a Broad Street. He has been there since 8:15 a.m. Now everything was clear to the governor. Evans escaped the prison the fourth time. But by taking the hints from the question paper, the governor reached the hotel Golden Lion, where Evans was, and captured him and came to know how he planned his escape and said that his game was over. Evans surrendered himself to the governor. The governor tells Evans they would meet soon. The moment they are rid of the governor, the so-called prison officers, a friend of Evans, unlocks the handcuffs and asks the driver to move fast, and Evans tells him to turn to Newbury. This is what the actual plan. Newbury, reaching Newbury and escaping, right? Then you can also go for detailed summary and explanation text-wise and everything. You can also, then the hard words meaning, everything is here. You can utilize the material if you wish. Wait for minutes. I'm just going to see the question papers. The show, and you can see, and you can come on. Yes, sir. So question, short answers type questions, you can also see that. So what clues did the answer sheet of Evans provide to the governor? What clues? Can you guess before seeing the answer? What clues did the answer sheet of Evans provide? Did and provide. The simple past tense. So when you're using, question words, or we can say that helping verbs. Helping verbs, you have to prepare a question that main verb should be in simple present. Did and provide, not provided. Did provided is wrong. So what clues did the answer sheet of Evans provide to the governor? McClary showed a photocopied sheet to the governor, which had been cleverly superimposed, pasted On the last page of the German question paper, the governor decided for Newbury, and by putting together the six-figure reference, the index and center number 313 and Toyota 271, and with the help of the Ordnance Survey map of Oxfordshire, he was able to locate Evans in the middle of the Shipping Norton. The correction slip provided him with the name of the hotel, the Golden Lion, where Evans was staying. So Evans was beaten in his own game as he left clues which aided in his arrest. He made things easier as he left the question paper behind in the cell. The clues the governor got from it were sufficient to help him locate Evans. This is what the answer. But anyhow, last he just escaped in the last. Okay, question. Why did Evans not take Evans, not Ivan? Evans is the name of the protagonist. We have tried. Why did Evans not take off his hat when Jackson ordered him to do so? Because that was his lucky charm. So Evans was determined to make his escape plan a success, and so he had clipped his hair short to pass off as McClary later. Jackson disapproved of his dirty bobble hat and asked him to remove it. Evans immediately thought of a ploy to avoid recognition by telling Jackson that the hat had always brought him good luck. So the police officer agreed to his request. Something we will consider. That's what humanity, right? Humanism. How did a governor react to the two phone calls he received in quick succession? Succession means continuously. So he also reacted. He did some overthinking. So here the first call that the governor received from the assistant secretary was a hawk. You know what is the meaning of hawk? I told you. Maybe a signal, right? It's a fake. And it misled the gullible governor by demanding a prison van in connection with the remand case where the van was needed for Evans' escape. So here magistrate calls, assistant secretary's calls, as well as magistrate's calls. The underlying idea behind the second call was to take Stevens away for some time so that Evans could give finishing touches to him, his makeup, to look like McClary. So you understand the underlying idea here, the second call we can take here and Evans escape. The underlying idea behind the second call was to take Stevens away for some time. You understand? That's why personally, that means the assistant secretary of the examination board called and disturbed and changed his mind so that governor also. So here called. So here the second call as the governor was a fake and to deviate McClary for Evans would give finishing touches to his makeup to look like McClary. So here you can see all the calls you can also connect in this. How did the governor react to the two phone calls he received in quick succession? And you can also make all the calls and then result. So what clues did the answer sheet of Evans provide to the governor? Sir, the answer sheet had been cleverly attached to the last page of the question paper by Evans to outwit his opponents and mislead the police. It was from his answer sheet that the police got the clues that Evans had hit McClary, whom Evans was himself impersonating. The six-figure reference landed him in the middle of Chipping Norton. This is what they identified. Likewise, you can also see one by one. So who was Carter and what did governor ask him to do? So very cleverly, right? That means, asked him to submit or admit. So Carter was a detective superintendent whom the governor summoned after Evans supposed to, escape. The governor wanted him to accompany the injured McClary as he was the only one who seemed to know what was actually happening and might be in a position to help in locating Evans who had escaped. Right, and then question number you can see what were the contents of the small brown suitcase that McClary carried. You can write all those things, whatever we came across. Sealed question paper, an envelope, a yellow invigilation form, special authentication, and even the newspaper, even Bible, everything you can also mention. What did the detective superintendent? Right, superintendent informed the governor about Evans, and they also found and chased, but they missed that. Like the detective superintendent informed the governor that McClary had spotted Evans driving off along Elsfield Way, and they had got. This is for why? Why should I read? I am reading all those things. The pattern, sentence pattern, we should identify. The detective superintendent informed You can see that everything in simple past tense. Why did the detective superintendent inform the governor? So simple past question, simple past answer. The detective superintendent informed V2, informed the governor that McClary had spotted. So we can go for past perfect. Had for something had spotted means பார்த்துட்டாங்க, right? Had spotted Evans driving along driving off along Elspeth Way. They had got the number of the car. Past perfect, right? They had got the number of the car alight, all right, and had given a chase immediately, but had lost, had plus featuring past perfect and at the heading the roundabout. We assume that Evans must have doubled back into the city again, returned. But governor thought in a different way. Like, how did the governor find out where Evans was? This is very important question. When the governor, how did simple past tense? When the governor finally realized, V2, that it was number and after food. Right, and after you can now see that. So after putting the two numbers, the index and the sender number together, and with the help of the ordnance survey map for export sale, the governor reached the hotel to find out. So likewise, you have to go through all this. So how did the governor tell the secretary of the examination board about Evans? And governor you can see that how do we know that Evans had no chance of getting through the O-level German examination? Why did he take the rest test? We know very well, right? He was not curious to write the examination. By using that, he wanted to escape from the prison. So what reason did Evans give to keep his hat on his head? What was the actual reason? Because he kept everything. It means, the reason Evans gives for keeping his hat on his head is that it had always brought him good luck. The actual reason was that since he had clipped his hair short to pass off as McClary later, and he needed to keep his hand on to avoid being detected. Then on the day of the examination, with what excuse did Evans keep Stevens out of his cell? What was the actual reason? You know very well, and he just mentioned that I cannot write in someone's presence apart from the invigilator. Like, so Evans says he was unable to concentrate on his exams with Stevens literally breathing down his neck. So he wanted Stevens to be out of his cell, but the actual reason was that Evans wanted to execute his escape plan, and Stevens' presence there would be a big hindrance for him. You know what does I mean? Hindrance, trouble. Likewise, you can also go through identify what kind of a person was he once, why did he want to sit for O-level German examination, and what precautions were taken by the very important question in 12th standard based on this lesson. What precautions were taken by the prison authorities for the smooth conduct of the examination? You have to write your answers. And what could the governor have? What could the governor have done to securely bring Evans back to the prison from the golden line? Everything he just so-called the prison officer. And what precautions were taken for the smooth but okay? According to the governor, what kind of person was Evans? Which important call did the governor receive when the examination was going on? And how did the governor expert present describe Evans to the secretary of the examination board? Everything like you can go to the long answers. I hope you are understanding the way they have written. Likewise, we have to follow. So too many questions I have also collected. The long answers, very importantly, you can also go through. Describe the precautions taken by the prison authorities for a smooth conduct of Evans examination. Sir, it is like the summary you have to write. Right, sir, one by one, you have to write. The prison staff and the governor took all the necessary precautions to ensure a smooth conduct of Evans examination. Evans examination, EVANS apostrophe, but there is a mistake. The governor personally supervised all the security arrangements. Evans' cell was thoroughly, like was checked by Jackson, and to one by one you can include all those things. Second. How did the question paper and the correction slip help the prisoner and the governor? Of course, that was a help. That was the route map for Evans as well as the governor. Mistakenly, Evans as McClary handed over him. By using that things, these things, governor also identified and located. And what precautions were taken by the prison authority to ensure that the German exam was conducted smoothly and also under strict security? That you have to understand based on your understanding. You have to write. So he was injured McClary. So how was injured McClary able to befool the prison officers? Even the governor, even Stephen Jackson and all the officials, even detective superintendent, Carter also he cheated. How was injured McClary able to befool the prison? Injured McClary means Evans, impersonating McClary, right? Likewise, you can also go through. In spite of the precautions taken by the governor, Evans was able to escape. How do you think he was able to do it? Because of his master plan. It's intellectual, right? Right? You can also go through. You have to personally read the answers. When you are reading the questions and understanding, and when you are reading the answers and understanding, you will come to know that too many things. You will get the constructions, sentence pattern, and everything. Then you can also practice yourselves. For that only we are sharing, not for copying and pasting. Right, sir? And that what purpose did the question paper and the correction slip serve? Purpose. How did they help both the criminals and the governor? Give a character sketch of the governor of Oxford Prison based on your understanding of the story. Evans tries no level. Give a character sketch of Evans, right? That also can be asked. So here describe the precautions taken by the prison officers is very repeated, and it was sheer negligence on the part of the prison staff that helped Evans to escape. Of course, here Stephen was taking much vital role, important plan, something part for the escaping plan, and he was misused. What were the precautions taken by? Again and again, you can also see that. Now, what were the precautions repeated? Describe the precautions. So everything you can also see repeated. In too many resources we have collected. How did the negligence of the person? Character sketches of Oxford governor. How was the injured McClary able to befool the prison officer? What purpose? Question. You think, in spite of the precautions. Likewise, you can also go through. So, I think you understood the lesson. Sir, Purinchila, Evans tries an O level German examination.
Yes, sir.